Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see Microsoft Purview Insider Risk Management settings that you need to know. I'll just log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to the portal. You need to log on to purview.microsoft.com, come on the home screen, and then look for a solution that you want to manage. I am managing Insider Risk Management in this video. And before getting started, with insider risk management policies, it's important to understand and choose the insider risk management settings that would best meet the compliance needs for your organization. And these settings will apply to all the insider risk management policies regardless of the template you choose when creating a policy. So if you do not know how to create a policy, insider risk management policy, please take a look at my previous video. Now you need to click on this settings item and then you click on Insider Risk Management. It will take you to the settings option. And in here, you will see the settings with the name of Analytics. When turned on, it'll scan risk sources in your organizations Microsoft 365 audit log to detect the same activities used by insider risk policies. Scans run daily and provide real-time insights that can help you set up and refine policies to ensure you are detecting the most relevant activities. If you want to read more about it, please feel free to go to Microsoft documentation and get a better understanding of it. Data sharing policies or the settings to export the alerts to SIM services, share user details with other security solutions. You just have to toggle this to on or off as per your requirement. Detection groups, you see there are a lot of types available. Go through them completely. Global exclusions, email signature attachments that you want to ignore through the policies, file paths, type, keywords, sensitive info types, SharePoint sites and trainable classifiers, inline alert customization, which is policy edits using inline alert customization, intelligent detections, file activity detection, alert volume, Microsoft Defender for endpoint alert statuses and domains, Microsoft Teams, which will help you integrate Microsoft Teams capabilities with insider risk case management to enhance collaboration. Then you see the notifications part. Send a notification email when the first alert is generated for a new policy. Policy indicators, office indicators, device indicators. If you have watched my previous video, you will see that I enabled these indicators before creating a policy, because there were some settings while creating an insider risk management policy which required the policy indicator to be turned on. And you can create a custom indicator as well, which is still in preview. Policy timeframes. Because the timeframes you choose here go into effect for a user when they trigger a match for an insider risk policy. Power automate flows, priority physical assets, priority user groups, this is a little more important because users in your organization may have different levels of risk depending on their position, level of access to sensitive information or risk history. Now, prioritizing the examination and scoring of the activities of these users can help alert you to potential risk that may have higher consequences for your organization. Right? So use this priority user group settings to define the users in your organization that need closer inspection and more sensitive risk scoring. Then you have this privacy. You can choose whether to display usernames or anonymized versions of usernames for all current and past policy matches for alerts and cases. Okay, these were the insider risk management settings that you should know before creating the policy. Though I've created a video on how to create insider risk management policy before this, but it will be good if you should know all these settings, because some of them will be applicable to some of the parameters when you will be creating the insider risk management policy. All right, I believe this was beneficial for all of you. If you still have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.